Hello everyone, welcome back to Dear Hizb. I hope you are doing well and having a wonderful day. I am really happy to see you here again. Thank you so much for watching episode 1 of our 10 episode English speaking challenge. I truly hope you enjoyed it and understood our plan for this series. Today we are moving to episode 2nd, and from now we will start practicing English together in a simple way. As I mentioned in the previous episode, in every lesson we will describe different things using slow and easy English. We will not rush and we will not use difficult words. I believe this is one of the best way to improve your English because you will learn by listening, understanding and speaking at the same time. So today we are going to begin with something that everyone knows, that is a daily routine. But before we begin, I have one small request. Don't just watch this video, listen carefully and whenever you can, repeat the sentences after me. You don't have to speak perfectly, just try your best. Little by little, you will become more confident. So let's we begin today's lesson and practicing English. Today we are going to describe a normal day routine. This is not my daily routine or your daily routine. It is sample an example of a normal daily routine that anyone can practice. For example, I wake up early in the morning. First, I get out of bed and make my bed. Then I go to bathroom, brush my teeth, wash my face and take a shower. After that, I get dressed and have breakfast with my family. Now it is the time to leave home. I go to school or work. I spend my day learning, working, meeting people, and doing my daily tasks. At lunchtime, I have lunch and take a short break. After that, I continue working or studying until the afternoon. And the evening, I come back home. I feel a little tired, but I'm happy to be with my family. Then I have dinner, spend some time talking with my family, watch television, read a book, or simply relax. Finally, I get ready for bed. Before sleeping, I set an alarm for the next morning, say good night to my family, go to bed and fall asleep. So it was a simple day routine of a normal person. I hope today's lesson was easy to understand. Don't worry if you could not understand every single word, that's completely normal. The more you listen, the easier English will become. You can watch this lesson again, repeat the sentences, and practice with me. Every time you do that, you will feel a little more confident. So, thank you so much for watching this episode. I mean, episode 2nd of our 10 episode English speaking challenge. I'm really glad you are continuing this journey with me. In episode 3rd, we will describe something new using the same slow and easy English. So make sure you watch it as well. Until then, take care of yourself, keep practicing a little every day, and remember that every small step brings you closer to speaking English with confidence. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the episode sad.